Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Honor logo on the screen. It should take about 10 seconds, I believe. So let's press and hold the button. Once you see the Honor logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. If you see this message, you can tap on the screen to skip it. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.